matsale.com. Today I want to show you guys how to make just a couple of small design changes to your blog or website. First thing I want to do is I want to change the background color. It's too white. So first thing you want to do in order to change your background is see if they give you an option in the WordPress admin customize area. So let's click on your dashboard. Could have just clicked on customize here, but it's okay. I like doing things the hard way. So I go to appearance, customize, and then I want to go to colors. It looks like they give us an option, but it may not change all the background we want. So let's try it. Let's see. Yep, all that does is it changes it down in the footer. So we're going to go ahead and leave that alone for now. Now we need to go into our CSS and change it in the code. It's not as hard as it looks, or as it sounds. I'm going to walk you through every step. So the first thing you want to do is let's go to our site. Okay, we're on our main site. We want to right-click and inspect the element. This is going to show you the source code, the brain of your website. We want to use the magnifying glass, and we want to click out here since we want the body area. You can see our CSS code is going to be hashtag body area. Come over here, and there's our background color. It's FFFFF, which is white. F. Click on this, and now you can change your background color. So let's say we want something like that, something like that. But I want to remind you that you're not actually changing it in the code right now. This is just showing you where it's located in the code. As soon as you hit refresh, it's going to go back to white. So this can do anything. There's your logo. There's your navigation bar. Click on that, and we can see it's called top navigation. Later on, I'll show you guys how to kind of scoot this down a little bit. It's really simple. Move it around. Okay, so let's say that we don't really want to pick our own color. We don't know what looks good, you know. Let's say we want to actually pick a specific color from the website to match. Like, let's say I want it to be matsale.com. I want this color. Well, Chrome, which I'm using, has a really cool extension called Color Picker. You can see I've already used it. You click on this, and you can do page color. And you can actually go around and pick any color on your entire website. So what we'll do is we'll go right here and we'll click it, and it'll automatically copy it to the clipboard. Okay, now we need to go into our CSS file. If you guys don't have Cpanel and you're trying to run a website, I highly, highly suggest you guys use Cpanel. It makes it so much easier for security management, design changes. You can create email addresses. Any of those hosted blogs from Blogger, Blogspot, WordPress. If you're serious about running your own website, get your own domain name and host it yourself with Cpanel. I use HostGator.com. HostGator, I've been with them for about 5 years now. They are one of the best hosting companies on the planet. I actually have a personal coupon that I was given, and you guys can save 25% on any HostGator services. I'll go ahead and put that in the description box below. But for now, let me show you how to do this CSS change. So we're going to go to your website, /Cpanel. All right, want to log in with your credentials. We're going to scroll down under your Files section and look for an icon named File Manager. Click on that. Here's all your files. Now, since matsale.com is my main domain, I didn't put it in a directory. These are all my other websites that have their own directory. But Matsale is actually in the public HTML root folder. So just come down here. If you have a directory, then you click on that directory, and then you do all this. But for now, we're just going to go to WP content. Look for WP content in your website directory. Click on that. I'm going to go to themes. I'm using the Foxy theme, but you click on whatever theme you currently have active. That's the theme you're going to be changing. Double click on Foxy. Now here's all the website files. We're going to have something that says style CSS. That's style.cascading style sheet. I'm going to go to code editor. And I do suggest if you're new at making any kind of coding changes, if this is really Greek to you, before you make any changes at all, double click on the file. What that's going to do is it's going to save a copy of it to your computer. If you make any mistakes and your website becomes corrupt or anything, you can go ahead and just highlight the old code and put it right back in. I kind of know what I'm doing a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and do code editor. And 9 times out of 10, you can actually change your code directly into the file manager here, and then just save the changes. My internet, I think it's ran by a hamster on a wheel over here. I see it running around. So I actually copy everything, and I transfer it over in a notepad, and I do all my changes there, and then I change it back. I'll show you what happens. It's actually really crazy. When I go to change something, and you can see it like does it. It's like 2 different lines. You see that? It's like, look at that. It's really strange. I can't figure it out. But anyway, so what I do is I just copy the whole thing, and I go over here to Notepad, copy it there. Okay, so remember what we're looking for? You remember? We're looking for, I forgot, body area. So body dash area. I'm just going to find it myself. I know where it is. Under here, basic styles, main layout, body area. That's what you're looking for. Background color, you can see it's all F's. So we wanted to take our logo color, copy to clipboard, paste. Alright, take the whole thing, copy it, go back into your file manager, backspace, and paste that new code with that changed color right in here. Once you have everything pasted in nicely, go ahead and hit Save Changes. Then when we go back to our website and we refresh it, you can see it's changed the color to match the logo here. It's a really simple CSS change. If you have any questions at all, I'll be more than happy to help you. I monitor all of my social media pages, Facebook, Twitter, and my YouTube channel. Go ahead and ask me. I'll make sure I reply as soon as possible. Other than that, you can also contact me at mattsale.com. Like the boat, just not spelled the same. Thanks again. Bye-bye.